The main objective of the AURORA use case is to implement the data analytics stack that supports process control and optimization of human-robot collaboration workplaces through data stream processing and machine learning for automotive design and HRC-supported finishing processes for car body models. The aim of the experiment is to demonstrate the feasibility and implement a data analytics stack that supports process control and optimization of human-robot collaboration workplaces through data stream processing and machine learning. The application scenario is based on supporting finishing procedures, particularly the clay laying on car body models. Moreover, the data stream processing experiment consisted of a collaborative robot, 3D machine vision scanner, a wearable sensor module, and a heat map projector. The core of the solution developed in AURORA applies a modular and open data stream processing approach, combining activity tracking and machine learning technique that helps improving the efficiency of HRC-based finishing processes, improving the quality of products within industrial tasks, and empowering ergonomics in HRC. Thanks to the AURORA project, we were able to get a more comprehensive picture of the potential of collaborative robotics and data analytics applied in our shop floor processes.